Hello friends, myself Manisha Kapadni Sonavne, Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Nashik alumni and a member of Navasamaj Foundation Maharashtra. The purpose of this today's video is I gonna declare the list of nominees which we have received for the Super Award national level, that means India level. Before moving ahead, I want to share few things. We have asked all our candidates to share their videos which will elaborate their work for which they have nominated here, and we received most of the videos and we have uploaded those two on our YouTube channel too, but few are yet to come. Guys, if you want to really send your videos, send those as soon as possible. But if you are not able to send, or if it is not possible for you, no problem at all. And reason behind this, like I said, no. Recently our judges have come to us and discussed with us. With us means our board member which are communicating with the judges, as like videos, whatever the information we are getting from videos is not 100% information about the work. The work that particular candidate is doing is much more than the video. So voting basis, like voting on the video, if we consider, will not justice that person's work. So accordingly they have declared that we are not going to calculate the points of videos or voting on the videos. And as I already mentioned earlier also, that all the rights of selection will be reserved to examiners, that judges only. No one can intervene there. So whatever they have suggested, they have decided, we will have to follow that. So guys who have sent the videos, this absolutely doesn't mean for them like their efforts behind the videos are waste. No, not at all. In fact, via videos you came in front of society and shared the type of work, whatever you are doing in social welfare, you are sharing your efforts with the society. So do not think anything negative about that and keep it up your work. So let's move towards our list of nominees for national awards, that means Super Award National India level. So here is the list. I gonna read out the list in front of you guys. Navodaya of the Year India, Sitaram Narnolia, Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Rajasthan in social category, Sunita Sharma, JNV Nagore Art and Culture category, Dr. Surendra Dabas Delhi medical category, Dr. Madhukar Gaikwad Maharashtra social category. I just want to make it clear here, I am going to take a state names only here instead of district names, okay, since it is the national level award, so we are okay with the state names, okay, the Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya from that particular state, okay. Next is Kuldeep Pillewad Latur Maharashtra social category, Sadanand Date Maharashtra social category, Anup Maurya UP educational category, Anandmayi Priyadarshini Bihar business category, Darshan Chaudhary MP social category, Brij Mohan Punase MP social category again, Sagar Udasane JNV Bikar MP social category again, Ratanlal Tripura JNV Tripura social category, Amresh Dev JNV Tripura social category again, Zahir Ali Siddiqui JNV Rajasthan Art and Culture category, Dr. Trupti Khairnar JNV Maharashtra medical category, Sudhir Gohane JNV Maharashtra education category, Satyadev JNV Uttar Pradesh social category, Sayandeep Hazari JNV Tripura social category, Sandeep Kumar JNV Bihar educational category, Pallav Rathod JNV Rajasthan social category, Ashok Mandale JNV MP social category, Srinivas Rajaram JNV Telangana social category, Dr. Atul Dhage JNV Maharashtra medical category, Deepak Kumar Chauhan JNV Gujarat social category, Satya Kumar Tripura JNV Tripura social category, Dr. Rajesh Sahu JNV Madhya Pradesh medical category, Sunil Gupta JNV Madhya Pradesh art and cultural category, Dr. Tulika Sahu, JNV Uttar Pradesh Art and Culture category. Vikram Kumar, JNV UP Research category. Chandra Mohan Baswal, JNV Atrubaran Medical category. Dinesh Kumar, JNV Champaran Art and Culture category. So total here we have received 31 categories, and guys, whatever name I have declared, whatever in the series I have declared, these are just serial numbers. The way we received names we have listed down, and I have declared the list here. This absolutely doesn't mean this is your final result or your type of work we have seen and then we have listed down it here. Not at all, absolutely. You all are gems, and keep it up your work, okay? So guys, if you have any doubts, any queries, or we have missed your name after your nominations also, please contact as soon as possible to fill up this gap, and keep it up doing your this social welfare work. This is really proud feeling thing, guys. So just take care and be happy always. Nava Samad Foundation, Maharashtra. Thank you.